Bubbles the coaster at Storybook Land in New Jersey is one of the best kiddie coasters in the world. So in this video, I will review the legendary Bubbles the coaster. This coaster was built by Ian F. Myler for the year 2000. This junior coaster is the 16-foot oval model with the Helix that you can find at a few parks, including Canyon Blaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Bubbles is located towards the back of Storybook Land, and it features striking pink track. The park as a whole is gorgeous, and the area around Bubbles is no different. It's well landscaped with several flowers and plants. The trains feature the familiar Green Dragon lead car you can find in several of Myler's other kiddie coasters. The ride has a single 6-car train, and on the day I visited, Bubbles was a walk-on. When Bubbles opened, each row had a shared lap bar. In my 2020 rides, each rider had an individual lap bar. I'm unsure when this change was made, but it appears to be rather recent from photos. Bubbles begins with a 16-foot or 5-meter tall lift hill. It begins with a twisting drop to the left. While the drop isn't particularly thrilling, it does have a surprise feature. Most dragons breathe fire. Bubbles breathes bubbles. So on the first drop, riders are blasted in the face by bubbles. It's a quirky feature that gives the ride some character. That's followed by a slow camelback, and then you rise up into another hill. Neither hill offers any airtime. You then twist to the left into a super tight 360-degree helix. The compactness of this helix provides some decent laterals, and you also have a frightening head chopper with the prior hill. You are then snapped over 4 consecutive bumps. I hesitate to call them hills. These bumps are that small, and because of their small size, the train really jerks through them. It isn't bumpy, rather, their abruptness sorta throws you forwards. I don't know if you can call it airtime, but it is wilder than what you get on most kiddie coasters. Bubbles gives 2 laps, and honestly, this is a rare kiddie coaster I wouldn't have minded getting more laps on. I genuinely enjoyed this ride. So what would I rate this coaster? I would give Bubbles a 5 out of 10. For a kiddie coaster, that is a very high score. This coaster is adorable and about as great as a kiddie coaster can look. The first half had me smiling with the bubbles, and the second half is deceptively aggressive with all those little bumps. It feels like an amped up RMC pre-lift. Most kiddie coasters are ones and dones for me, but I shamelessly rode Bubbles a few times while at Storybook Land. So those are my thoughts on Bubbles the coaster, one of the best kiddie coasters in the world. Have you been on Bubbles? What are your thoughts on this dragon-themed kiddie coaster? I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you gave this video a like, and you considered subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.